and test what we find.
Scout asks questions, how and why? Spark says, let's test it, give it a try. Professor Lumen explains every clue, using real evidence to find what is true.
Moss studies life wherever it grows. Nova looks up where the universe glows. Pebble builds, then improves the design. Ripple tracks weather, water in time.
Byte finds patterns in numbers we see. Echo hears sound and its vibrations clearly.
Search, wonder, and explore.
Every new answer leads to more.
Observe it, test it, think it through.
That's how we solve it with the Science Earth crew.
Boards up,
Brains on,
catch the